The Sally Ride Site License equips your entire school or district for success in STEM education by providing ebooks, training, and everything your school needs to keep students engaged in STEM fields and topics by helping educators connect classroom lessons to an endless array of STEM careers. With the Site License, every student and educator gets ebooks aligned to state educational standards, such as Common Core, TEKS, and the Next Generation Science Standards. And every educator gets professional development and activity guides that build on the material presented in the ebooks. ExxonMobil has generously sponsored your school's site license for the 2014-2015 school year. Let's review how to activate your site license and access your resources. The first thing we need to do is activate your school's unique site license homepage, an easy-to-use online interface that you and the other educators at your school will use to access the online professional development and teacher activity guides. You will receive an email from Sally Ride Science with the subject, "You're invited to become a Sally Ride Site License Administrator." Click on the link you see in the email. The next step is to create your Sally Ride Science account. Choose a username, create your password, enter your email address, and select the title that best fits you. Then click Create Account. Your user account is now created and Site License is activated. This is your Site License homepage. From here, you can access all your resources as well as create new school administrators and teacher accounts. Each administrator you create will have the same permissions you do, while each teacher will only be able to access their own account. To invite administrators or teachers to use the site, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Invite a School Administrator or Invite a Teacher button. Enter the person's email address, and click Send Invitation. An email will be generated to that person inviting them to have access. You can also invite a group of people at one time by using the CSV upload feature. The main navigation tool on this page and throughout the back end of your site license is the sidebar, which you use to navigate through your site license resources. The sidebar also contains links to Career Cues and STEM Central, which are additional collections of STEM resources created by Sally Ride Science that you can enjoy complete access to with your Sally Ride Science account. You can also access and edit your Sally Ride Science account through the sidebar. Clicking School Administration in the sidebar always takes you back to your school administration homepage. Think of it as your home button. All Site License website users, administrators, and teachers have access to the content and resources available to you. Let's walk through how Site License users will access the Online Academy. Click on the Online Academy link in the sidebar. Select the appropriate course for you, upper elementary, school counselor, or middle school. The courses you see available are dependent on the kind of site license your school has. Fill out the registration information and click Submit. Then click Review Order. You'll see the cost is $0 as the training is included with the site license. And finally, click Checkout. You will receive an email with further instructions on how to access the course. The next resource available with your site license is Activity Guides. Clicking the link in the sidebar opens up links to PDFs of all activity guides available to you and your educators. There's one activity guide for each ebook title in your library. Finally, clicking eBooks takes you to a page that lists the titles available to you and your students. You'll not have access to the ebooks until the Know for Schools application has been set up for you. We're working at the district level to complete this task, and there will be further training on the ebooks when that's complete. As you can see, Navigating the resources and functionality available to you in your site license is an easy undertaking, and as a school administrator, your role is primarily oversight and creating other administrators and teacher accounts. If you have any questions or need any further support, contact your site license implementation manager or Sally Ride Science for help.